Today's video, I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can clone your voice for 100% free in 2025. Watch the video to the end because I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to get unlimited access to this AI tool. The AI tool you'll be using is not completely free, and so I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to get unlimited access to this AI tool. Before we start, I'd like you to know that this video is just for educational purposes and for people who do not have the budget to purchase for this AI tool or to clone their voice. Now, when you do use the trick that I'll show you in the video to get unlimited access to this AI tool, when you do get the money, then you purchase for the premium plan, because the premium plan comes along with so many advanced features that you can use to clone your voice better. Alright, my name is El and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to take you 3 steps on how you can clone your voice for free, 100% free in 2025. Now, let's start with some of the major reasons why content creators would like to clone their voice since the rise of AI. Now, the main reason why most content creators would like to clone their voice is that it's very efficient and easy to do this without recording directly in the microphone, because most of these content creators are mostly busy and they wouldn't get the time to record an audio, or probably they're in a situation where they don't have a microphone, and so they use the voice cloning to do so. It also helps people who want to start up with content creation and don't have the budget to purchase for an expensive microphone. I'm going to leave links in the description to each and every tool that we'll be using in this video, and the name of this website that we're going to try out today is called Speechify. I'll leave links to Speechify in the description. When you click on that link, it's going to take you to a page where you can clone your voice. So this video is not sponsored in any way, but then I've tried so many voice cloning apps, and then by far I think Speechify's own is the best. Let me know in the comment section if you have any AI voice cloning alternatives that you think is the best. Now, here's an example of Speechify's voice cloning at work.
Do you always wake up in the middle of the night to pee? Did you know that this might be related to an imbalance? Speechify has revolutionized my productivity with its custom text-to-speech voices. Partnering with Speechify allowed me to clone my own voice.
Now, follow the tutorial with me. Now, when you do click on the link in the description, it's going to take you to a page where you have to sign up with Speechify. And then from there, it's going to take you to this page where step 1 is to import your voice. You can either record it or upload a file. So once you click on import my voice, you can click on start recording if you do have a professional microphone. If you do not have and you have a pre-recorded audio, you click on choose a file and then select the audio from the list. Right, I have an audio here called Barbara Original, and then I'm going to play it right here.
Do you always wake up in the middle of the night to pee? Did you know that this might be related to an imbalance?
Right. This is the original voice of Barbara, and right here there are a list of rules that you need to follow, and it says sign and then accept. You type in your name, your full name, and then from there you click on agree and then continue. Now, once you click on agree and continue, it's going to take you to where you can input your test. Now, initially you get a total quota of 1,000. So this is a default test that Speechify puts here for you, and once you like it, you can click on generate, and then you have a total quota of 1,000 like I said earlier. So I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can use this. It's very simple. So from here you can click on generate audio, and then once you click on generate audio, Speechify's AI system is going to clone this voice and then make it talk exactly like Barbara.
Speechify has
and you can see this voice looks really similar to the first one. You can click on share, and then you have the download option right here to download this. Okay, you also have settings where you change the speed to normal, fast, or very fast. All right, so this is how you clone your voice. It's very simple. Record an audio and fix it in right there, and then give it the test. Initially, when you do create your account with Speechify, you'll be given 1,000 quotas to exhaust, and then once you exceed this quota, you will not be able to access the voice cloning feature anymore. Now, this is a trick. It's very simple. You need to have multiple emails to sign up. Now, this trick is just for educational purposes and for people who do not have the budget to use Speechify or purchase for the paid plan. Now, when you do get enough money, you purchase for the paid plan because it has some advanced and additional features that the free version does not have. Now, the simple trick right here is that when you do create your initial account, you'll be given access to 1,000 quotas, which means that 1,000 characters to fix in right there and then clone your voice. Now, let's say you have a script which exceeds 1,000 quotas. Now, what you need to do is that you need to clone the voice bit by bit with different accounts. So my suggestion right here is that you need to have multiple emails to sign in. And one thing that I can recommend is you use this website to do it, because it generates temp emails. And once you clone all these voices, you get it in part 1, part 2, part 3, and then you're going to head on to a simple website that you can join all these audio together and use it for your project. Now, I would recommend that you purchase for the paid plan because it has additional features, and then you do this at your own risk. This video is just for educational purposes and people who do not have the budget to purchase for the paid plan. Alright, so once you have all the audio generated with different accounts bit by bit, you then import all of the audio onto this website called audiojoiner.com. Now, once you import it here, you'll be given an opportunity to join all by clicking on join. And once you click on join or add tracks to add more audio that you cloned or voices that you cloned, you can click on join, says processing, and then you can click on download right here to download the joint audio file that you cloned, and it's just that simple. You can even head on to CapCut and then import all of these audio files one by one, and that is the only hassle you have to go through if you want the free membership, until you get to where you want to purchase for the paid plan, because it comes along with other features as well. If you like this video, click on subscribe and click the bell icons to get new notifications each and every time I drop in some new video. This video is for educational purposes, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.